Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva look better. First, always begin with a clear purpose for your design. This guides all your choices. Next, establish a consistent color palette, ideally using 2 to 4 main colors to maintain visual harmony. Finally, prioritize high-quality images and graphics that truly enhance your message, avoiding pixelated or low-resolution assets. These foundational steps are crucial for creating a polished and professional look in your Canva projects. To elevate your Canva designs, focus on layout and visual hierarchy. Try applying the rule of thirds, dividing your canvas into 9 equal sections to place key elements at intersection points for better balance. Make sure to use white space generously. It gives your design room to breathe and prevents it from appearing too busy. Establishing a clear visual hierarchy helps guide your audience's eye, ensuring they focus on the most important information first. These techniques improve readability and aesthetic appeal. Typography plays a vital role in making your Canva designs look better. Stick to a maximum of 2 or 3 complementary font styles to maintain consistency and avoid visual chaos. Always ensure there's high contrast between your text and its background for optimal readability, especially for smaller fonts. Additionally, pay attention to line spacing, also known as leading, and letter spacing or kerning, to give your text a polished appearance. These small adjustments make a big difference in how your message is perceived. Before finalizing your Canva creation, take time to refine and review every detail. Double-check for perfect alignment of all elements and ensure complete consistency in colors and fonts throughout. If you have a brand kit, leverage it to maintain uniform branding across all your designs. Finally, export your finished work in the highest appropriate resolution, such as a PNG for images or PDF for documents, to ensure crispness and clarity. These final steps guarantee your design looks its best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.